القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Alhamdulillah, you have reached the last lesson of part 1 of the introduction of reading the reading of the Quran. This is the last lesson, and it's the last lesson in which you will be learning a specific characteristic of a particular letters. So far what you have learned, so Alhamdulillah, you have reached here. And Allah reward you, like I said in the previous lesson, may He reward you and bless you and raise your ranks and make it easy for you to recite the Quran, inshallah. So this lesson, previously what you've learned is the joining of words, the diacritic marks and the med, and the Shamsiyya wal Qamariyya in how to read that particular, or not read the lam. In this lesson you'll be learning about the Ghunnah, which is a nasal sound. The nasal sound is a sound which occurs in the nose, of course, from the nasal sound, and it occurs inherently with two particular letters. Okay, so the Ghunnah is a nasal sound which comes from the nose. This is a basic Tajweed rule which has been included by the great scholars of Tajweed in the same lessons as the alphabet. So although it's a Tajweed rule, it has been included in the section of the letters by the great scholars of Tajweed. And the reason why they have done that, because it's an intrinsic part of the letters of the Noon and Mim. The Ghunnah sound is intrinsic in the two letters Mim and Noon, or Noon and Mim. This is true of any language, whether it is the M or the N in English language. Okay, so try to say na or ma while holding your nose closed. So I'm going to hold my nose and try to say this. If I say na, na, okay, so squeeze your nostrils together where there's no gap for any air. You cannot say it. You can't say ma. It's very, very difficult. So try to say mum with your nose closed. Mum, mum. It comes out like that. Okay, try to say nan. Say nan, nan. So it comes out like that. But when you have an open passage of your nose, then you can say na, ma, mum, nan, whatever it may be. Okay, so this is inherent. When reading the glorious Quran, the nasal sound is emphasized when the noon or the meme has a shadda on it. So when there's a shadda on the noon or the meme, and I've alluded to this before, that we will stretch the sound. We will stretch the sound for some time. So we will say inna. We won't say inna. We will say inna. Amma. Amma. Thumma. Thumma. Minni. 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 It's very easy to apply, and it is very, very basic. This is the first Tajweed rule that everyone learns and is included in the lessons of the letters. So you can see, you will go through the exercises. It's a very short exercise here, and then once you have done this, then inshallah, when the teacher authorizes you to move on, then you will be able to move on and you will complete the first part of this this introduction to the reading of the Quran. Well done, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you, and I will see you in part 2.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this, and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.